right, boys. Quick history lesson.
Behold the voice of God.
I want to build a team of some very bad people who I think can do some good. The next war will be fought with these metahumans, ours or theirs.
It makes no sense. I mean, you need real soldiers, not these scumbags.
In a world of flying men and monsters, this is the only way to protect our country.
So that's it? What, we some kind of suicide squad?
Complete the mission, you get time off your prison sentence. Fail the mission, you die.
What happened? Terror attack. You know, usual shit.
Right. Yeah, you're a bad liar.
You weren't picked to succeed, you know that, right?
Worst part of it is they're gonna blame us for the whole thing.
But it is our time. The sun is setting and the magic rises. The metahumans are a sign of change.
I'm gonna get you there. And you're gonna end this. I'm gonna carry your ass if I have to. This shit is gonna be like a chapter in the Bible. Everybody's gonna know what we did. Well, we almost pulled it off. Despite what everybody thought. For 2 sweet seconds, I had hope.
You know the deal. Successfully complete the mission, and you get 10 years off your sentence.
Welcome, Task Force X. These are your brothers and sisters for the next few days.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.